But behind that, or in the floor, wherever you want to put it in an EV, here's the specs, my friends. 645 horsepower, 765 pounds-feet of torque in wow mode, wide open watts. Yeah, they got some of those terminology and all that stuff. 0 to 60 time in 4.5 seconds. This orange champ can go really fast, maybe too fast for a vehicle that weighs about 8,800 pounds. So, and I'll tell you guys a little bit later on why the gross weight and gross vehicle weight rating is gonna matter, because it's 8,800 pounds, it's actually rated higher, and it's gonna affect the payload of it. But also, if you're looking about range, what is the range of this monstrosity of a battery? So it's 170 kilowatt size battery is actually gonna give you, ideally, 657 kilometers or 408 miles. Charging, you can charge up to 300 kilowatt charging speed. So that gives you about 100 miles in 10 minutes or 160 kilometers in 10 minutes. Capable of towing 12,500 pounds, and payload is at 1,800 pounds. Moving up to the side, we have nice beefy tires, 265 R70s R18, so 18-inch wheels, and these are Bridgestone mud and snow tires, not 3-peak and not snowflake rated. So as you can see, the white stuff has shown up. So basically, these are not rated for winter tires. But here in Quebec, I still have till December 1st to put these on. So not too much of a concern. And I'll tell you during the drivability portion how it handles with the stock tires in this slippery stuff. Moving on, I do have power folding mirrors, and I have a fixed running board or step here, as well as approach, lock, and unlock departure. I touch the buttons on both handles, so I'm definitely a fan of having that on both handles. I love that the charging port is all the way in the back. That way I can just back into some parking spots. But the way chargers are set up these days, that does make pulling a trailer a little bit less convenient. But EVs are known to not be so convenient when it's time to trail or something. As I open it, you're going to look at CCS. I've mentioned the charging speed, 300 kilowatt charging speed, and we have a 170 kilowatt battery, so which it gives it an 800 volt architecture. And lastly, on the side here, we have the ever-loving Silverado bumper step. In the back end, of course, we have typical back end Silverado, back end Silverado. I'm just messing around with the Silverado stuff. But yeah, just missing some tailpipes because you don't need them.